I'm Ty with WTI, and this is the Command Medium Caddy in clear. So I purchased these to kind of help organize my spices a little bit more in my pantry, and I really like that I have them hanging on my door, so it's created a little bit of extra space. So because these are really small, so they're able to fit into tight spaces, so that I really like that. They're clear, so you can see right through to your spices, and they're easy to install. They come with 4 strips, and they're clear strips, and then once you're done, you can just pull the strips down, and I've found that there has been no damage on my walls whatsoever, especially since I'm renting this place and this isn't my place. So I really love using these. I love the functionality of them, and I love the clean look of them. So that's my point of view.